to Freeway Moments. In this episode we'll be looking at how to make rollovers in Freeway 5.5. It's really very easy, and once you've watched this tutorial you'll be able to do them with your eyes closed. I'll start by drawing a graphic item on the page. Now this graphic item could be shaped or coloured by Freeway to look like a button, or you could import a button image you've created in an application like Photoshop. But for this tutorial I'm just going to colour it cyan. I want another version of this graphic in exactly the same place on the page. So if I go to Edit, Copy, Edit and Paste, if I move this item you'll see that we now have two in the same place. I'll undo the move to put the top item back. I'm going to colour this second version of the graphic yellow. With this item still selected, I'm going to go to the Item, Actions menu and select Rollover. I'll then open the Actions palette, and in the Actions palette you'll see a couple of columns. One which is switched on, it's called Normal, and the other one called Mouse Over is switched off. I'm going to switch Mouse Over on, and you'll see underneath these two columns we have a number of ticks. We want to switch off the ticks for the images which we don't want to show in each state. So for the normal image it's going to be cyan, and for the mouse over it's going to be yellow. So let's see how this appears in the browser. Go to File, Preview in Browser and choose Safari. There's our cyan box, and when we move the mouse over it, it turns yellow. Take the mouse out again and it will go back to being cyan. Most buttons have text on them, so let's add a text label. Again, draw out a graphic item and type in some text. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger in the inspector palette, and I'm going to centre it. And let's make it bold as well. And now I'm going to move this button which says Home on top of the rollover I made previously. And now when I preview that in the browser you'll see the button with the word Home on it changing from cyan to yellow when you move the mouse over it. You probably want more than one button on your page, and as we've already set up one rollover we can duplicate that a number of times and make a few more. So select the rollover item you've already created and go to Item and Duplicate. I'm going to have 3 more, and I'm going to have them 150 pixels apart on the horizontal axis. If I click on OK, and Freeway's given me 3 more buttons. And I can change the text in each of these. Contact, About Me, and Gallery. And if I go to File and preview that in the browser, we'll see that each of these change colour when we move our mouse over them. And that is how you make rollovers in Freeway. Now you have a go. Enjoy!